guys, welcome to today's daily homemaking video. Yesterday was a hot day. Today we have woken up to a rainy day. This does not make sense. Me, I want sun by the way. I want heat. I know we say we want heat. Yesterday it was hot and humid and I was just like, honestly, I don't mind. And then in the afternoon it became hot and windy, which was okay. Today we have woken up to rain. It's such a gloomy day. I don't get it. I am ready for the sun. Can we please have sun? It is now 9:40. I took the kids to school a while back. So I've just been cleaning. Today I want to give my floors a mop with a traditional mop. It's been a while since I did that. I've just been using the vacuum cleaner and something is just telling me this vacuum cleaner is not doing my floors justice, or is not really deep cleaning. It's just those ones for quick mop and vacuum and go. So I want to use traditional mop and make sure or feel like the floors are clean. I've already put hot water in my mop bucket and I want to show you my floor cleaner. I don't know what I did with the lid. I don't know what I did with the lid. Don't ask me. This is the floor cleaner that I am using, the pink stuff all-purpose floor cleaner. It smells really good, and of course I am a pink girl. I go for anything pink. I will go for anything pink. Yeah, I guess that's going to be it. I have laundry going, which I am going to dry and put away. Then today my plan is to make chapatis. I already have stew. The chickpeas from yesterday is what we are going to have the chapatis with. I am not wasting my energy to cook fresh food. We need to finish this because yesterday people didn't eat anyway. Kwa hivyo, wacha to mop floors, straighten out the house. This is the daily routine. Clean, mop, dirtify, repeat. Yeah, but I mean, it's not that bad because yesterday we had cleaned, so everything is not everywhere. Then I didn't organize my shoes as I had said I was going to organize, so we will work on that. Currently, let us wash the floors. For now, let us mop the floors, vacuum the carpet, straighten up everything, come and make chapatis, and then we can sit down and relax. Maybe in between I'll also make my breakfast, have breakfast. I've not yet had breakfast. I try to go as far as I can, or as much as I can, without like an early breakfast. I try to push myself to have breakfast later in the day, so I don't eat and snack a lot. So here I have a pink. It's a pink day. Pink. I have my cup over here. It has juice, pineapple and carrot, and then I've just mixed it with water. For now, let us straighten out the house and then we can come back to the kitchen.
say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go. I keep falling in slow motion, but you got nothing, nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here. You go, and I keep falling in slow motion. Nothing on you. Tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait it like a fool.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not on till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I try to get everyone to see me. I play my games, but I just end up looking like a showcase. I haven't myself to blame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. So lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not on till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared.
It is way later in the day. I want to juice. I have prepared my fruits. I have beetroot, apples, kiwi, strawberries, ginger, and turmeric. I'm just going to go ahead and put that into the juicer.
Of heights. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
Juice is ready, and I'll divide it into 3.
I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
The reason why I divide it like this is because oftentimes I find that I have to dilute it because of the turmeric and the ginger. So I leave a bit of space to be able to add water into the jars. And it still tastes pretty good.
No